Who is MBCEA? The Metal Building Contractors and Erectors Association has a long history of helping its members achieve new heights. As a membership-driven association, the MBCEA proudly includes individuals and businesses from all segments of the metal building industry. That's right, we're not just for contractors and erectors. Many of our members are building manufacturers, material suppliers, architects, and engineers. We are friends, colleagues, and even competitors with a common cause, reaching new heights together. The MBCEA offers trainings, events, and seminars, even a mentor program, all based around the wisdom of our experienced members. But our best asset is you. Sharing your knowledge and experience with others in the field helps our industry grow stronger and reach new heights together. So join today by going to our website or call us now